दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे शो में द वेंकटेश शो। टीम की बात करते हैं। आई एम श्योर कि आपने बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स के लोग हैंडल किए रहेंगे। तो एक टीम में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कैसे आप मैनेज करते थे?
टीम में पॉजिटिव्स और नेगेटिव्स हमेशा होते हैं।
हाँ।
ओके, सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन उसकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन हिज स्ट्रेंथ्स। सो वंस यू वर्क ऑन हिज स्ट्रेंथ्स, व्हाटएवर ही डज बेस्ट, so you have to promote that, so that the negative aspects उसको भी एड्रेस करना है, लेकिन आपको पॉजिटिव्स प्रमोट करना है इसमें।
Okay.
और you have to come down to his level to understand, you have to put yourself in his shoes to understand कि what he is facing, and how he can improve. So one thing is very important is that person's attitude for learning or for growth or for whatever you say, because any attitude will determine the altitude. That is what I believe.
Okay.
So from that perspective you have to treat everyone differently. So जैसे for example अगर डॉक्टर 10 पेशेंट डॉक्टर देखता है, जैसे उसको ट्रीट करता है is going to be different. It is not going to be the same prescription given to anyone like that.
Correct.
So similarly for each and every 5 fingers are not alike.
Correct.
Each one is different. So you'll have to treat them differently.
Okay. एक hypothetical situation, let's say employee A, he's a loyal but non-performer. Employee B, he's a performer but not loyal. So which is good for you? And if you want to, let's say, fire one employee, which one you will fire?
So I'll keep the loyal person.
Okay.
Because there is no one on this earth who ऐसा कोई इंसान भगवान ने नहीं बनाया है जिसमें अच्छा ही नहीं है या जिसमें पॉजिटिव्स नहीं है.
Okay.
So you will have to look for the positives.
Okay.
And you will have to bring that confidence in him that he also can do well.
Okay.
If 8 people in the team are doing well, 2 are not doing well. Okay. So it is very easy to fire that person.
Okay.
But very difficult to
keep them
and pursue his,
make them perform.
So he may not be very ambitious. He may not be very ambitious, but we have to find out what things he is doing right currently.
Correct.
And what he is not doing right, where he can improve. So he can bring this 50% markup to say 70% or 80%. So you have to give them lead time. So you will have to have a very objective kind of वर्क अप विथ हिम.
Okay.
उसका एक प्लान आप बना सकते हो कि 6 महीने के लिए, और उसको इनपुट्स दे सकते हो, ट्रेनिंग के इनपुट्स दे सकते हो, मेडिकल के इनपुट्स दे सकते हो, उसके वर्किंग स्टाइल के इनपुट्स दे सकते हो. वो क्या टाइमिंग फॉलो करता है, कौन से कस्टमर्स को मिलता है, कौन से कस्टमर्स उसके लिए अच्छा प्रोडक्टिव है, कौन से कस्टमर्स प्रोडक्टिव नहीं है.
Correct.
So you'll have to look at all aspects and then come to a conclusion.
Correct. Okay.
So loyalty, I think, should be rewarded. Performance also should be rewarded. But it should be a good balance between the two. ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि लॉयल ही है एंड नॉन परफॉर्मर ही है. लेकिन वो नॉन परफॉर्मेंस में बदल सकता है.
Okay.
It is the way how you are going to treat that person.
Correct.
And how that person looks up to you.